Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your 3i G10 Plus. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So a restart is different from a reset, like a factory reset. This is a restart or a reboot. It's not going to wipe any data or anything like that. We're just going to be power cycling the machine. So front and center, we have an illuminated button right here. This is the power button. So go ahead, press and hold that for a couple of seconds.
Power off.
You get a voice prompt, powering off. The light goes out. There you go. You just turned the device off. Now we'll go ahead. We'll press it again for a couple of seconds. The light comes on. And now we wait for the machine to reboot.
Power on.
Voice prompt, power on. Take a look at the light. You'll hear some stuff shifting around in here in the dustbin. And there we go. The machine is back on.